Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we no need none of that. Now, welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase, and another one we're going to bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Now, nation, Movado and his attorneys can definitely count this one as another major legal victory, where his case against Jennifer Messado is concerned. Now Messado again found herself on the other side of the courtroom as she was seen visibly shaken while she was in the prisoner's dock, most commonly known as the bullpen. No more allegations were read against her as she stood before senior parish judge Lorian Cole. Now Messado was seen holding on to the railings of the dock as she pled not guilty to 12 more counts of fraud and 4 counts of obtaining money by means of false pretenses. Now she said she not plan to give Vado a red cent. Now based on what is now taking place in court, she could have not just only play Vado but countless of other individuals. I know she not spend half the money already. It is alleged that Messado used documents with forged signatures to deceive her clients into signing promissory notes in order to solicit loans in the sum of the high millions. Now the disbarred real estate attorney has been going through separate legal battles aside from this one right now. She's also currently before the court for the matter involving entertainer Movado, in which it is alleged that she defrauded the international dancehall resident of 30.7 million. That matter is currently before the Supreme Court. Now, during her time as a real estate attorney, obviously she had that kind of legal connections. But it seems like those same connections have now disappeared, as countless individuals are now stepping forward to say the same situation like Movado said. When Movado said it, it was almost like people have said the fact that he's an entertainer and him have millions to him name and not really nothing. While Vado and his attorneys pointed out that she has been doing this for years now to other individuals as well. Most people, I'm not going to say including the court, but the way Vado described the situation as, when the situation was brought before the court on a Friday, officers were told not to make the arrest until a Monday, so that documents could be typed up and she could be released same day. That looked like favors to me. That looked like links and connections right there. We have never heard this happen with nobody else. The judge himself has said, no, don't do this on a Friday, because you know if it take place on a Friday evening, Saturday and Sunday you have to go stay behind the bars. Them never want that. So them say do it on a Monday. I have never heard this. If them smart, he bring all a complaint against all a judge there. It don't sound like that a normal court proceedings. That sound like Messado and the judge are old college friends. No. The court also heard that in one instant, on January 21st, 2016, Messado told the complainant that one of her clients needed a loan for 2.5 million to undertake repairs to an apartment that was going up for sale, and the loan was granted. As it's so easy, she obtained millions through other individuals' name, essentially putting them into debt. In another instant, in January 2018, she allegedly tendered an undated promissory note. Tendered meaning convert or change out the promissory note for money, which were allegedly signed by 2 of her clients for a loan of 4 million. In that instance, Messado convinced the complainant that the document was valid and was granted the loan. Now, in another instant, the 71-year-old lawyer allegedly applied for a loan on behalf of Sonado Limited, a company which herself and her husband are directors. Now she told the complainant that the loan of US 65,000, remember 10 grand and 1 million plus. She said the money would be repaid from the sale of the company's shares. Now they were convinced that the document was real, but after investigations, it was revealed that the shares to the company had been sold from 2010. Now what is strange is, in this case, attorneys are saying that the accused is willing to compensate the complainant in the full amount. So how should I give back Vado him 30 million? Now at the end of the hearing, the judge ordered that she sign a court document indicating that she's in full agreement to provide restitution. A fingerprint order was made. Now she's currently on bail for 3 million with one surety and is expected to return to court on July the 1st. It's strange how she has said she's willing to compensate these other individuals for the whole heap of millions of dollars that she essentially defrauded them of. But in a Movado case, she has said no, she's not willing to give him $1, not based on his case. What is so different with Vado case? As something she know, so whenever entertainers are brought before the courts, it is never in the favor of the entertainer. I wonder if something she know, because she's saying in this case she got pay back the money, and she was ordered to sign documents and say what you know, she will pay back the money. Now with Vado case, she was ordered to do the same. I know she tell the people them say she bankrupt and she can't pay it. So how she go from being bankrupt and can't pay Vado to being fully able to pay back all these other millions? 65,000 US, 2 million here, 4 million there. Well, I guess if she not pay up, seeing that the court has ordered her to pay these numerous restitutions, is either she pay it or she go to prison. And at 71 years old, prisoner of the place where she want to go. Now, Messado also filed for bankruptcy, which was our way to try to seek to get out of paying Vado, not knowing that there would have been other complaints, and these complaints are coming from financial institutions, the private sector. She can't go around them, and them want back their money, because remember, they made these payments or gave the cash to Messado based on the fact that these were loans. Who are going to pay back the loans when a fraud commit? Think about it. So our links and our ties and the friend and the company them she could have used for Sarah to bankrupt, she can't pay Vado. These people have bigger links and deeper pockets, and if them say them want them money or them want justice to be served, is either she can pay the money or she go to prison. Now in that same instant, Vado's lawyers can point out the facts that she have the money, can pay back these other individuals or these financial entities or institutions. She needs to find the same money and pay Vado. That's how them lawyers are going to argue. So we can look forward to see them go to court again. This is a major victory for them with that bankruptcy case and what them that say. What Messado and her attorneys that say, that she not have the money, she has no capital, and the fact that she's now disbarred, she has no way of gaining that capital, so she can't pay the money. Talk to me. But I said one called Jayden, she's the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I said reminding you know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Now the comment section is always up, but before we get there, drop a like and bust a share. The like icon is in close proximity of the share icon. When you drop your like, you can bust a share set speed. You can share the video on all social media platforms, whether your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your IG, you name it. Share the video. You know what I mean? Comment section open 24/7. Tell a friend, tell them sister, them brother, them to join the discussion. Tell them the comment section open. Tell them to open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, Drop your thoughts, the comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we could continue to reason via the comment section. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And no, we don't need no lad, and my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.